Okay. So what question is written here? Write all trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. Okay. It means you have to write all trigonometric ratios in the form of sec A. So all trigonometric ratios means you will write sin A in the form of sec A, cos A in the form of sec A, tan A in the form of sec A, cosec A in the form of sec A, and last one cot. Okay. We have not taken sec here because we have to write all the trigonometric ratios in the sec. Okay. So for writing these trigonometric ratios in the form of in the term of sec A, we will use the identities that I have explained. Okay. So you know all the identities. First identity is what? Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. है ना? You know this. Next is cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Third one is sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square. Okay. These things you will use, and one is also there, tan A is equal to sin A upon cos A, and sin A is equal to 1 upon cosec A is equal to 1 upon sin A. Okay. Sec A is equal to 1 upon cos. These identities and so on. These identities you will use. Okay. So first see we will see for the sine. Okay. So how you will write the sine in terms of sec A. Okay. So see here in this identity. Okay. In this cos A, cos square is there. Okay. Cos is there. Okay. So you can write cos as 1 upon cos. है ना? You can write 1 upon cos. So first of all, from here what you will write? Sin square A is equal to 1 minus cos square A. है ना? This you can write. After that you will remove the square term because we have to write sin A. Okay. So sin A is equal to square root of 1 minus. Now in place of cos square A, you will write 1 upon sec square A. Okay. So see here. What you will write? Sin A can be written as square root of 1 minus cos square A. Okay, you can write by using identity. By using sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Okay. So now in place of cos square A, what you will write? 1 upon sec square A. Okay. Now what you will write? Sin A is equal to. Now see, 1 is there, upon 1 is there. Now LCM of 1 on sec square. What you will write? Sec square A. Okay. Here sec square A will come minus 1. Okay. So what will come here? Square root of sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. Okay. So sin A is equal to square root of sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. Okay. So in this way you will write sin A in the form of sec A. Okay. In terms of sec A. You have written. Now we will see about the cos A. Now we will see about the cos A. And you know that the inverse of cos A is 1 upon sec A. Okay, 1 upon sec A. So second thing is this one. Second ratio cos A can be written as 1 upon sec A in terms of sec A. Okay. Now see the next one. Next one is tan A. Okay. Next one is tan A. So tan A, see here in this identity. See this identity. What is it then? Sec square is equal to 1 plus tan square. So we have to write tan in the term of sec. So take one that side. है ना? And remove square bracket in the square root. So see here. tan A can be written as sec square A minus 1 square. Okay. In bracket you will write by using identity, by using sec square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A. Okay. So in this way you can write tan A in terms of sec A. Okay. Now what left? Now see the cosec A. Okay. See the cosec A. Now cosec is what? 1 upon sin A. है ना? Cosec is what? 1 upon sin A. Now see 1 upon. We have already written sin A is equal to. We have written sin in terms of sec A. So put this value there. Okay. So see what you will write. Sec square A minus 1 square root upon sec A. Okay. Now when we will take reciprocal of this. Okay. When you will take reciprocal of this, what you will get? Sec A upon square root of sec square A minus 1. है ना? So this will be the. In this way you can write cosec A in terms of sec A. See here. Okay, so sin A done, cos A, tan A also. Okay. Now in this way cosec A. Okay. Now last finally what left? What left? Cot A. See. So cot A can be written as what? See here. See this identity. See this identity. Okay. So cot A can be written as cosec square A minus 1 square root. है ना? You can write or not?
We can write.
Okay, see here. So cot A can be written as square root of cosec square A minus 1. So in bracket you will write by using identity. Okay. By using cosec square A is equal to 1 plus cot square A. Okay. Now in place of cosec square, what you can write? 1 upon sin. Okay. So 1 upon sin square A minus 1 square root. Now put this value, sin value. Okay. You can find this also. Or you can find C. Or you can write cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A. Okay. 1 upon tan A. So tan A we have already found. So right here 1 upon sec square A minus 1. Okay. In this way cot A can be written as C here. So instead of doing this one, okay, do this one. It is simple one. Okay. So cot A can be written as 1 upon C here. So cot A can be written as 1 upon tan A, and we have already written the tan A in the form in the terms of sec square A, है ना? Sec. So this write this thing in place of tan A. So in this way you can write cot A. Okay. So in this way we have written all the trigonometric ratios in terms of sec form. See, sin A is equal to square root of sec square A minus 1 upon sec A. Cos is equal to 1 upon sec A. Tan is equal to square root of sec square A minus 1. Cosec A is equal to sec A upon square root of sec square A minus 1. And cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A. Cot is equal to 1 upon square root of sec square A minus 1. Okay. Understood or not? Okay. So I hope you have understood.
Yes, sir.
Okay.